just need to exhale. I just need to exhale.
What up, world? It's your homeboy Mag 357 Guns up in this place right now. And what we're doing is we're looking at this Android 10.1. So the other day, or the last video that you saw, I showed you the wiring and I wired up my camera. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull over to the side of the road. Hopefully I don't catch no nail or nothing like that. Okay, so we're on the side of the road, correct? You see my GPS is working properly because I do not have it up there on the dashboard at all. It's up under there on that metal piece that I was telling you about, okay? So of course I'm 0 miles per hour, and I got a thing like that, or the Dodge symbol, okay? So what I'm gonna do is wait for this car to pass so I won't alarm them and make them think I'm backing up or no crap like that. So when I put this in reverse, bam, okay? Works perfect. All right, works perfect. Now I can go in and adjust it to make it, you know, more flat to the ground because I haven't adjusted it yet. So I would need somebody or my girlfriend to, you know, tilt it down a little bit, and then I'm gonna tighten it up, and that's gonna be what it is. So, all right, we're at 0 miles per hour. Nobody's coming. So hop back out on the road. Yep. I'm gonna get up to speed and then put it in cruise control again. And it is what it is, man. I'm very happy with the purchase. So you might be having trouble with your wiring. So I got 50 right there, right? I got 50, 49, 50. Yep, 51. It's doing what it's supposed to be doing. So here's that dial, okay? That dial is on 50. Can you see it? And my dial over there. Trying to get them both in the shot. Trying to get them both in the shot and drive at the same time. But yeah, it's working like it's supposed to be working. So I don't have any problems with it. You should not have any problem with it. However, so this is what some people need to know. There's no access to the internet. I make sure I've got all that stuff up there on my dash. This is custom that I did here with Car Launcher. You can make it any color. You can put anything you want. You can put pictures of family, pictures of whatever that you want as a logo or whatever. I had to tinker with it for a while. I cannot, there's no way for me to save my settings and then make a download so that you can put it in a folder and make yours like that. So you're just gonna have to tinker with it and get it the way that you want it. But everything is playing off my phone. So long story short, let's go to this. So when you do a long pull down, right, I got the Bluetooth, and this is how you turn the screen off. Okay, when you tap, it comes back on automatically. But when you want your car amplifier to work, if you're having problems, well damn, my amp ain't working, come to my video and learn to turn your car amp on with that right there. It must be blue for it to be on. If it's not blue, it is not on. Let's say I see a police officer right now, I'm bumping like hell. I can mute it there, and it does that. It cuts it off. Alright? So, clean up. Clean up. When you hit clean up, it releases the memory. Then you can take screenshots right there too. Okay? It's got a screenshot right there if you need it. Now you're gonna go to car setting just because I just need you to go to car setting. Alright? I want to show you something that I'm seeing a lot. A lot of people don't have this right here, where you can change the hertz and stuff, and it give you different sounds. One guy wrote me to me, I said, man, I lost sound. No, you did not. Maybe you didn't get the right one, but no, you did not. If you have this one, where you can move all that stuff around, you have a built-in EQ right there. All right. So the main thing I'm seeing people have problems with, well, the bass is not loud. It's because the bass is controlled by subwoofer, not low. If you turn this down, there would be no bass. Absolutely none. I don't give a damn what you do to your amp back there. It's not going to hit as hard as you want it to hit, and you know it's supposed to hit. You got to go subwoofer. Even if you don't have subwoofers, these newer cars, look at them big ass speakers, man. Them are subwoofers. So yes, you have to have that up. You can turn it all the way up, do what you need to do. I got mine to where it's not no distortion in it and all that kind of stuff. You need to know this. Okay, now you got GPS detection. Okay, and I'm driving with my knee. I bet you like, how in the hell is he driving and pointing and doing? Yeah, I'm driving with my knee. So you got all this. Okay, you can come in. I suggest you do it while you're not moving. And do a one-time calibration. All right. So you got your Android settings, you got your car settings, you got your factory settings. Now, somebody told me that the password is 4/8. So let's try 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa, hold on, gotta drive a little bit. 4/8. Were they right? Absolutely. Okay, they were absolutely right. Man, there's so many settings in here. Okay, we have to come in here and do this another time. All right, so I'm gonna back out. I just showed you that though. 4/8. All right, 4/8. Number 8. 4 of them. All right. All right. So we got factory settings. We got system info. Because a lot of people want to know. Can you see it? Hopefully you can. I know I'm bumping around and all that good stuff. I got Android 8.1 Go. The kernel is 3.18.22. Okay. I have 16 gigabyte of flash memory. The CPU is A7 1.3 gigahertz or gigahertz times 4. All right. You have 45 watts times 4. That is the amplifier. 45 watts times 4. Okay. The display is at 10 or 1024 times 600. All right. Sound settings. Let's see. It's back to that. I wanted to show y'all something else. You gotta make sure that dot is in the middle. Okay. You can have a lot of different things going on with the reason why you're not getting sound out. So let's test something out that I've never tested. Okay. Let's go to all of the apps. And I have not tested out my radio. So, all right, let's say you got local music. I don't have a music player. Go to where I showed you. Go to all your apps. Local music. It'll find the music that's actually on the device or on the USB. Okay. Local radio. I have never used it, so we're just gonna see. It may not pick up anything. I don't know. It picked that up. All right, so only one of them worked. I'm okay with that because I don't listen to the damn radio no way. Anything else? This is AVN, which I have no clue what it does. So I don't know. Yeah. I think I showed you everything I need to show you for now. It's your homeboy Mag 357 Guns. Hope that this was helpful. Hey, wait a minute. Let's go to one thing else. I'm gonna show you this every single time I can. Okay, this is Bluetooth. All right, when you get to Bluetooth, you're gonna come over here to this. It's gonna give you the device name, and it's gonna tell you the device pin is 1, 2, 3, 4. That is for my phone. That can also be for Xbox wireless controller, a PS4 wireless controller, PS3 wireless Bluetooth controllers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you have an OBD2, what the hell is that, Mag? I don't know what that is. Yes, you do. You know why you do? Because this is the OBD2. This you put inside. Oh, good. I did not drop it. This you put inside your. I'm driving with my knee, as you can see. You put this inside that thing up on your dash, and it'll tell you everything about the car. You can knock out some of your faults or clear out some of your faults. So let's say that you go in and you want to go buy a new car from somebody real quick. You want to go buy a new car. Take this with you. You put it in that car, or the cash car, which is not new. Put this in there, and you get out your phone, and it'll communicate and tell you what faults or what's wrong with the car before you buy it. That way you're not buying a lemon. Boom. You need that. You could have got this before this virus was around for about $2. So don't sleep on this. Okay? Do not sleep on this. Get you an OBD2. You need that. All right? You can clear out all kind of faults and dead codes and get that check engine light. Do you see a check engine light on this car? Huh? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. So anyway, there you have it, folks. Otherwise, this would be 000. Okay? I did that. It's your homeboy Mag 357 Guns. Till next time. Live, learn, love, and grow. 1.
Just need to exhale.